Hi, this is Jason from SAshares, and today we are going to go through the top 5 best Forex brokers with zero pip spreads. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Let's get started. Coming in first at number 5 on the list, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN Zero, ECN and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Zero pip spreads are available with the FXTM Pro account type. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, and ebooks for you to learn, watch, browse through, and read as you like. Coming in at number 4 on the list, we have GOMarkets. GOMarkets is an online, fully regulated Australian financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, metals, and commodities. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on Standard and Go Plus accounts with up to 9 base tradable currency options and a variety of market instruments. Their Go Plus account type features zero pip spreads. GOMarkets also provides their very own trading academy, which covers beginner's guides to Forex trading, free Forex educational courses, and a variety of Forex educational videos to help you with any additional education you might be looking for. At number 3 on the list, we have FPMarkets. FPMarkets is an Australian, fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with up to 50 tradable market instruments and commodity options, while the FPMarkets raw account type features zero pip spreads. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FPMarkets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library and a few ebooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies. Coming in at number 2, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with low minimum deposits, lower spreads, and more. Zero pip spreads are available on Exness's Raw Spread and Zero account types. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of Forex trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to browse through as you please. At last but not least, coming in at number 1, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative account balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's Web Trader. And for all your mobile trading needs, Avatrade Options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos for you to browse through as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the #1 broker, the most innovative CFD broker, the best affiliate program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online financial broker. And those are the top 5 best Forex brokers with zero spreads on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SAshares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.